So in today's video, I will be showing like which stocks could outperform in 2025 and 2026. These are all strong fundamental companies, and the first on the list is Astral Limited. So Astral एक pipe company है. It is basically it produces pipes, and it is a very well established brand, and it also a very well known company with very strong management. So basically, the stock has outperformed from June 24. It has outperformed basically. So underperformed. I mean, sorry, underperformed. The stock has underperformed from June 24, June or July 24. But now the stock is trying to build a base over here. Basically, this is a place where the big institutions are building their positions. They are accumulating on this range, basically. So once this long-term downtrend trend line, the Astral breaks this trend line, then we can say that that would be the first sign that the trend would be changing from bearish to bullish, basically. And the stock has been like it is a very good company, and once it starts performing, it gives a multifold return, basically. If you can see this. Uh, in previous time also the stock has given corrections like this, but it has overcome those corrections and it has rallied 3x 4x. In corona, low was 400. After that it had rallied till 1800. Basically similar thing has happened. This was due to the company's profit and revenue going down um, for a small period of time, but the guidance remains strong and you can invest in this company. So the next stock is basically Titagarh railway system. So Titagarh is a railway company. It produces. It is a basically machinery company. It is also a producer manufacturing company basically. So mostly deals with manufacturing of the railway system and stuff like that. It is connected to railways. So um, this is a very great fundamental company, but has corrected almost, if you can see, it has corrected almost 64% from its highs, basically, because it had rallied pretty much from 50 rupees. It had rallied till 1800. Now it made a low at 650. Currently it is at 810, basically. So uh, first of all, technical aspect of the stock is making a double bottom. If you can see, it is holding its key support areas, and it is a kind of a double bottom pattern. Plus the company is very oversold. So if you can see, when stock has corrected 60%, like this, it has corrected. Now it is trying to form a base. If it wanted to go further down, then it would have just slipped from here. But when this low is holded by the company, it means that the company has made a bottom there or a base there, and that base wouldn't get broken down that easily, basically. And if you can see the targets for the company, it would be 1371. Over there you can try to book your profits. Maybe you can book your 50% quantities there, and then you can just trail your quantities till 1800. So you should keep the stock on your watch list, and it would be a very great bet in 2025, because currently, if you can see, the stock has corrected 60%, and the company is had shown very good fundamentals, very good results in the past, and the company is like expanding pretty good, and hence you should buy the stock. So one more company is actually Delivery. Delivery is a new age company. It is related to couriers and transportation and etc. Basically, it moves your goods from one place to another. The company has also very much underperformed from a very long period of time. This is when the IPO came out in 2022. Then after IPO, the stock is constantly falling down. But now the stock is seeing some great volumes. If you can see this volume spike, it means that the big people are entering now. They feel like they feel that the stock has bottomed out, and hence they are trying to enter the stock before it rallies big. So the highs were at 708 basically. If you are investing for 3 months, then you can keep your targets at 408. If you are a very long term investor, then you can basically keep your targets at 700 plus 700 plus targets, and maybe you can keep on trailing, and you can keep holding the gains. This company would be very great in the future. It would be just another like a Zomato story, like Zomato rallied from 50 to 320, and now this is also a new age company, and basically this is also showing some kind of similar chart patterns like or Zomato showed a few years back. And you can buy the stock and keep the stock on your watch list. So the third stock is Lodha. So Lodha is Macrotech Developers. Lodha is a well-known real estate brand. Everyone knows Lodha. Basically, the company's brand reputation speaks for itself. And currently, it was in a very big consolidation period. Now, it is starting to show that it wants to go further, and it wants to go to the previous highs or maybe even cross previous highs. If you can see, this is a breakout that has been registered today, and if this gains basically the 1600 would be the first target, but I think it would go further than 1600. It could even go till 2200. So um, everyone already knows what Lodha does, and everyone knows it is a very sound company. It is a very great company. It has very strong fundamentals, and hence you should keep the stock on your watch list.